Okay, so this one's a little more tricky, this number 7 here, because they're giving us a new symbolism right there. Let me show it to you. A complement. There's other ways of saying the opposite. Let me show you the other. There's bar, and there's also a mark, which they're giving on this one. That means the all of these, I'll just say they all mean the opposite of A. So all three of those are different ways of saying the opposite of A. They're all ways of saying the opposite of A. So, okay, opposite of A. So let's go on down and take a look at that. Opposite of A. So what they're saying here then is the opposite of A. Opposite of A, right? That mark is the opposite of A. So if that's the opposite of A, can we find out what normal A or regular A is? They're giving us the opposite of A. So what's regular A? Can we find that? I think we can, right? So if this right here is the opposite of A, then what's regular A? Well, little a, whatever's not in there, right? B, C, little d, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and the universe stops at J. Right? That's where the universe stops. So that must be regular A. Do you see how we found that? So when they give you the opposite of A with that mark, that little single quote mark, they're giving you the opposite of A, then you just find regular A. And now I'm going to do the same thing for B. They're giving me the opposite of B because they're giving me that mark, which means opposite of B. So I'm going to say, okay, well, I need to find regular B in order to do this problem. So I can find that. Just go down the alphabet again. Whatever's not there. So we're looking at what they have. So A and B, and then C is there. D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F is there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, so there he is. So now I found regular B. So they gave me the opposite of A and the opposite of B. And I just switched it to find regular A and regular B. Now we can do the problem like normal, meaning what? You start and you find the overlap, the intersection. So start with the overlap, A overlap B, which is right here. Start with the overlap. So what's the overlap of A? So I'm not looking at these anymore. Forget about these. We're done with those. I'm just going to work with the regular A and the regular B. So what's the overlap of A and B? Well, it looks like little a, they share in common. What else? Little d, they share in common. That's it, huh? H and J, they don't. Is that good? So there's the overlap. And then step 2, find the A only and the B only regions. A only here. So then what is in A only? That'd be H and J, huh? H comma J. And what is in B only? Well, that would be little b, little e, little g. Little b, little e, little g. beg. Little b, little e, little g. That's in B only, not part of the overlap. And then step 3, find the outside of A and B. So that's right here. Outside of A and B. So what is out? So what's not in either of the sets? Well, I just go down the alphabet. Let's go A, B, C. Looks like I don't see any C there. There's no C here. So C. So A, B, C, where was I? A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F. Yeah, I don't see F there. So F's an outsider. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Yeah, I don't see I either. There's like 3 outsiders here. And then J is right there, and that's the end of the universe. So C, F, and I are all outsiders. They're outside of both circles A and B. And so there we go. So how did we do that problem? We started by, they gave us the opposite of A and the opposite of B. So we had to switch those and turn them into regular A and regular B. And so these are 3 different notations for opposite. You can put a C for common, a bar. We haven't seen that yet, but sometimes that's used as well, or the little prime mark. That means opposite. And so once we get regular A and regular B, then we take the overlap in the middle. You always start with the middle. Always start with the middle with these Venn diagrams. And then you do the A only, the B only, and then the outside. There we go.